Okay, Bosch cooktop. I'm already done diagnostics. Basically, this igniter is not igniting, and what's happening is when you request the spark, you can see that it's hitting in a different place and it's not able to ignite. And after taking it apart, you can see that there is a crack on the igniter. Maybe it's hard to see in the video, but there is a crack. And yeah, that's where the spark is coming from, the crack instead of from the top. So we'll be installing a new igniter and testing it after that. All other burners seems to work fine. Igniter installed. Igniting, no problem. A little bit yellow, but that's gonna go away. Everything is working perfectly. Igniting right away.